Hello and welcome. So today we're exploring 3 different breathing techniques that you can start using immediately to help you reset, regulate your emotions, relax and regulate your nervous system. So today we're exploring diaphragmatic breathing, alternate nostril breathing and box breathing. So you don't need any experience, just follow my lead. So sit comfortably, spine upright, shoulders nice and relaxed. And if you are sitting on a chair or sat cross-legged, I want you to have your palms facing upwards. So this naturally rotates your shoulders outwards and opens up the chest area, allowing you to breathe fully and deeper. Okay, so just bring awareness to your breath first of all. Just notice where you feel that breath. Do you feel it in the chest? Do you feel it in the stomach, the abdomen? So notice where you're breathing naturally. And then close your eyes. And we'll start breathing in and out of the nose for 4 counts. So breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. As you're breathing in, I want you to imagine the breath traveling down towards your stomach. And as you exhale, I want you to imagine the exhale traveling out, up past the chest and out the nostrils. So breathing in, down, belly's expanding, and exhale. So exhale, traveling up and out. And breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. So as we're breathing in, the diaphragm is moving down, engaging so that we can breathe fully into the lungs. And as you exhale, the belly softens. And now letting go of that breath after the exhale. And we'll introduce our box breathing. So we will be inhaling for a count of 4, which we've just practiced, holding for a count of 4, exhaling for a count of 4, and holding for a count of 4. So this one is used by Navy SEALs, so a really good way of reducing anxiety quickly. So breathing in for 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, breathe it in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and release. Let the body breathe on its own. And our third and final practice, alternate nostril breathing. So first start by closing one of your nostrils. So close the right. You can either place your thumb over the right nostril You can also place your index finger on your forehead, however you feel comfortable. So closing the right nostril now, and we'll start breathing in through the left for 2, 3, 4, switch sides, block the left, 3, 2, 1. So breathing in through the right, 2, 3, 4, blocking the right, and exhaling through the left, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through the left, 2, 3, 4, block the left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4, in through the left, 2, 3, 4, block and out through the left, 3, 4, 5, in, 2, 3, 4, close, exhale, 5, 4, 3, in, 2, 3, 4, close, out, 5, 4, 3, in, 2, 3, 4, close, 5, 4, 3, 2, in, 2, 3, 4, and out on your own. And after that exhale, release. And just notice how your body's feeling. Notice the mind. Is it busy? Is it restful? Is it clear? Just check in. And now open the eyes. Thank you for joining today's practice, and please subscribe to Breathe with Dee for more breathwork and guided meditation. Thank you and take care.